Everyone, welcome back to another video. It's been quite a while, eh? Anyway, if you somehow haven't played Mario Maker in the about 1 or 2 months that it's been out, there's a teensy little bit of spoilers, I guess, kind of. So just get yourself prepared for that. Anyway, let's get into the video. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are ranking every single block in Mario Maker 2, number 3. But there's a twist. We ran out of new blocks. So, yeah, you hear that, right? That's sound effects. So I'll just give every sound effect a rating of 5. So, okay. Starting off with the, I'm pretty sure it's Scream. No, it's Shock. It's really funny. I like it. Here, if you need to hear it even louder, I will turn the thing up. You probably can't hear it. There. Ready? And if you guys still somehow can't hear it, that should be good. Let's test this out. Yes, that's good. So the Shock, 4 or 5 for me. I'm sorry if it's too loud. Boo is next. As you can tell, it's pretty good. I give it another 4 or 5. Next is the Guffaw. It's really good if you're making a troll level like one of my levels I made. So, because in one of the trolls I had you hit an invisible block over a bit and you fell in. So, if you fell in, that's the sound effect that played. Another sound effect that played at the same time though was laughter. Oh yeah, Guffaw gets a 3. Laughter, also a 3. Now the Scream! Another 4. I didn't mean to put that one down. Cheer is next. I'm just going to be ranking every sound effect. I mean, it's fine. 3 of 5. Baby. 2 of 5. Party Popper.
Here we go.
Now it gives a good visual, but we're not talking about visuals this episode. We're talking about, well, the actual noise. Which is just this. Move, Luigi. It's not that overwhelming or anything. So I'll give it a 3. Applause. Who really uses applause? Everyone's just gonna use cheer, party popper, and others. Not applause. Anyway, 3 of 5. It's fine, I guess, too. So. Near miss. Sound definitely isn't the best, but the visual. 3 of 5 for the sound. Clatter's next. 4 of 5. All these sound effects so far were pretty good besides Baby. Punch. 2 of 5. Nothing really to it. Honk, honk. I mean, it's fine. I'll give it a 3 for effort. Jump. I mean, it's okay, I guess. I'll give it a 4. Kick. 3. Nothing really to say about it. Drama. This might be new. I don't know.
Here we go.
But I have the drama sound effect of you. Why didn't you play? Anyway, I'll give it a 3 if I didn't say that. 5 for the oink. It sounds like someone's farting. Ka-thunk. It's fine. 3. Beep. 3. Ninja attack. 4. Really good, actually. I was thinking of giving it a 5, but zap. 3. Once again, is fine, I guess. Ding dong and bzz. And same thing with aw and yeah. Those 4 are basically just showing you if you got the right pick a path or pick a whatever thing correctly. Aw means you get it wrong. Yeah means you got it right. So yeah gets a 4 and an aw gets a 2 because I honestly hate pick a path, but well, I would be happy if I did it on the first try. Anyway, do. Here, I'll play it.
Here we go.
It's fine. I'll give it a 3. So far, everything's been 3, 4, 5. And I guess a 2 for the baby. I think that... And the on. Glory. The same category as Doom. Fireworks. 4th of July, which is one day after my birthday, July 3rd. So I give it a 5 automatically. Audience, number 3. Scatting, number 5. Because I just really like scatting for some reason. It's weird. Anyway. Spark. 3. It's whatever. Traditional. I'm going to play the whole thing for you. Because I actually have never heard the traditional. Okay. I'll give it a 4. Just for some reason if someone Japanese is here. I'll give it a 4. Anyway. The electric guitar. Here you go. 4 and a half out of 5. Is that cheating? No. Twisty turn. 3. It's good, I guess. Woozy. 3.5. It's fine. And flash. 2. Or 2. 3 and no. 2 and 3/3. It's not that good. I mean, it kind of hurts my ears, to be honest. Anyway, peaceful. The rest of these I will be putting on Luigi so you can listen to them.
Here we go.
It's not a... I'll only give you a little picture. And that's enough. A peaceful. 5 of 5! Horror, though.
Here we go.
I've never actually heard this part. And then right now it's 3. It's creepy, though. It did a good job. The bonus movie. One of the OG musics.
Here we go.
If you don't know, which obviously you don't, I'm dancing. Because I love this music, honestly. And it's one of the OG music sound effects. I'm pretty sure, anyway. It's one of the most commonly used bonus things. And, like, it's really good. And I'm pretty sure it's one of the oldest sound effects, too. That's the end of the portion. 5 of 5! beat.
Here we go.
Not even music 3. I'm only skipping it because it's not even music. Silence.
Here we go.
Once again, not even a sound effect. Even though it's basically nothing, I'll at least give it some credit. 1. I would have gave it a 0 otherwise, but it's used for if you're making a music level. So like if you don't want the actual music overlapping your music, put on the silence sound effect, and look at that. You're all set. Anyway, boss music.
Here we go.
I'm pretty sure this is from Mario Maker 1. I'm not sure. I think it is 4. Now the final boss, I've never actually listened to. It's actually really nice. I like it. Also, if you, it's used for. Anyway, Super Mario Kart sound effect. Good for in 3D World levels when you have the cart.
Here we go.
If you don't know, which you obviously probably don't, I actually used to have a Super Nintendo entertainment system. I don't know why I said it like that. But I have an SNES. It's a classic NES though, SNES. Which is not even classic, I mean, let's be honest. The classic NES is not classic NES. Super Mario Kart. You've probably heard these a lot before, so I'll just show you the clip until I get to the end of the level, which is going to be really short. Let's do this.
Here we go.
Here, I'll make it because I accidentally made the level too short. If I get to the start, start at the start obviously, get to the end, but go back to the start again. Yeah, and then go back to the Super Mario, my son. Oh yeah, Mario 64 gets a 5 of 5, of course.
Here we go.
Super Mario Sunshine though. I'll give it an extra swing back. Six of 5. My favorite music. Well, besides this one. The final sound effects. I'll give it an extra swim back too. I'm only like this song because I really love Mario Galaxy. Anyway, this is just going to be a half bigger than Super Mario Sunshine, so 6.5. And that's every single sound effect that has just been rated by me. That's right, every single sound effect from this frog. Next time, we will rate every single terrain and item. The actually, let's just do this episode, because why not? So we will rate it by giving it a skewer if it's the worst, seesaw if it's the second worst, because why not? Lift if it's the third worst, if it's fine, I guess, like, I just call it fine, I guess. It goes into the lava lift. And my most favorite is just gonna go in the snake block for some reason, even though I hate the snake block, as you all know if you've watched my other item vids. Anyway, let's start! So, starting with ground. Everyone's gonna put this in 4, right? So I will too. Steep slope. Now I know I've rated this differently in other ones. I think, well, I'm gonna put it in 3. And the addition of gentle slope is for some reason really cool. So I give it a 4. Which is a subtle difference from, well, steep slope. Pipe. Now, I'd usually give it a 5, but now it can't be stacked. I'd give it a 5 because different colors now are here. But, freaking God, why can't you stack pipes anymore, Nintendo? Spectra. Technically not even a terrain, it gets a 2. Like, you can't walk on it. Oh, you kind of. Anyway, mushroom platform. It is a 3. Semi-solid goes with the mushroom. A good 3. Bridge. Another 3. Anyway, next wheel. Block. One of the most used items always goes in 4. Same with question mark block. Always goes in 4. Surprising, actually, no. Hard block. Not really used, but still kind of used. Plus, I kind of like how it acts with scroll stop, and when you explode it with the bomb, the scroll stop obviously discontinues and continue. It's pretty good, actually. It goes in 4. Hidden block. Die. Skewer, aka the lowest ranking. Donut block is a 3. No block is a 4 because you can make music out of it, which I made a music level. I just actually didn't upload it yet. Anyway, cloud block. Well, it's basically a donut block, but it doesn't fall. 3, and actually donut block gets a 4. But the donut block, the cloud block gets to go up 1 just because it has a cute face. And well, time for items. Coin. Skewer, go die, coin! Yeah, I know these are gonna be different from the actual thing. 10 coin. Negative 1. Go die, 10, 30, and 50 coin. You 4 items ruined my coinless runs. Pink coin. 2, because it adds to your coin counter, but it could give you a key. Super mushroom is a 4. White flower is a 4. Cape feather is a 4. Hello mushroom is a 4. Big mushroom is actually a 3 though. And well, the Raccoon Mario is a 4. It's just the big Mario doesn't really have any special things, so it gets a 3, you know? But it's still really cool actually. Anyway, Superstar, it gets a 4 also. One-Up Mushroom gets a 4. And Yoshi Egg, the final item of this episode, is a 5. Also, big red Yoshi Egg gets a 5 also. And I think that's every item. Yeah? Right? Am I missing any? I don't think let me see. No. So I hope you all enjoy. Before I leave, let me review the items from those 3 wheels. 50, 30, and 10 points. -1 ranking or air. Coin and hidden block. 1 or a skewer. Pink coin and spike trap is, well, seesaw or 2. Quite a lot of things start to gather when you get 3, because the steep slope, the semi-solid platform, the mushroom platform, and the bridge all got 3. But the 4 is basically where every single item is. Ground, block, question mark block. Also in Super Mario World style, it gets a 5 because it's different. And mushroom gets 4. Fire flower gets 4. Or skull lift, whatever. Lava lift, whatever. Gentle slope gets 4. Hard block gets 4. Star gets 4. Cape feather, propeller mushroom, and raccoon Mario all get 4. Big mushroom gets 3. 1-up gets 4. All the colored pipes get 4. Cloud block gets 4. No block gets 4. And did I just say 4? And donut block gets 4. And in the snake block tier, or the best tier, for some reason it's snake block, even though I hate snake block, it has Yoshi and Big Red Yoshi Egg. I don't know why it's like that. Did you hear it? It was like Big Red Yoshi Egg. Also, because I can, I'll rank water and lava level. Water level, absolutely amazing. I love it. I give it a 4 or 5. But the lava level gets a 3 because it kills you instead of allowing you to float up. I don't like that. Well, that's kind of the property of lava, but it's whatever. I don't see a lot of people using it. Anywho, let's also, because we're here doing different themes, rank the night and day cycle that you're allowed to do. Also, poison is the thing we're allowed to do.
Here we go.
Well, when the poison, it's a 3. No one really uses it, just like the lifting lava. So it's just whatever. But the day and night cycle is, well, one of my favorite things. Day and night cycle. You thought it would just be a static change? No, things actually act differently.
Here we go.
Especially in the ground thing. Items act way different.
Here we go.
So, let me tell you how everything acts. Propeller mushroom, it just zips really far. Raccoon feather goes up for some reason. Well, the propeller mushroom just zips around for some reason. Big mushroom hops. The 1-up turns into rotten mushroom. Fire flower hops and walks. Hops and moves now. Big Yoshi's act the same. Star, though,
Here we go.
however, I think jumps higher. The propeller, the cape feather is actually the one that does like a really long thing. The mushroom hops. And that's basically it. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss when I make another video. Also, I'm pretty happy that in Mario Maker, I actually have 906 Maker points. Oh yeah, also sell out, just wait. I'll tell you to sell out in a second. By the way, grown school, I can't stay up making a longer video for you guys. Sell out, by the way. ID for my Maker account is YLVC2B5WF. So if you want to go follow me there, you can. Oh yeah, if you want to know all my ranks for some reason, multiplayer versus wins 50, plays 46. It's pretty sad. Multiplayer co-op clears 12, plays 22. Endless challenge, easy high score 103, normal high score 4, expert and super expert 0 though. Courses played 245, courses cleared 169, attempts 1,367, and lives lost 1,148. And well, that's about it. I hope you all enjoyed. Bye! Bye!